If you're looking for ways on how to start your online business and make money from anywhere in the world, but you are stuck researching, you don't know where to start, and you're calculating what is the best business to start in 2025, then I'm glad that you found this video, because in this one I'm going to show you a simple mobile app that people are using from anywhere in the world to make hundreds of thousands of dollars, and you never heard about them. You have never seen their face, and they don't even have a product. And I, by myself, I've made on this platform over $50,000 in the last 6 months. And this video is a complete walkthrough how you can do the same as a complete beginner starting from zero, and you don't want to be creating products, learning a bunch of skills, and you want clear and actionable advice on how to make your first money online. So hey, my name is Dan Corsby, and in the last 4 years I went from broccoli student with 2 part-time jobs, not making more than $350 per month, literally scraping by every single month, not having enough money for a food at the end of the month, and in a couple of months I managed to build $50,000 per month online business. Now I can be traveling the world. I travel to 6 to 9 countries every single year and just living my best life. And what I'm doing on this YouTube channel is that every single strategy that I use or my clients are using, I'm sharing it here for everyone so you can see what's actually working and getting people results. So if you want to know what is the #1 strategy that I recommend you to start in 2025 and a strategy that all of my clients are using, then I highly advise you to check the first link down below in the description. You can find their free digital guide, free PDF, and in this PDF is everything explained to you step by step. You don't have to pay for anything, it's free of charge, and I made it for you because I'm not going to lose anything. It's something what is working in 2025, so don't skip it. So what I'm talking about is this platform that is called Whop.com, and this is a platform where people are selling digital products. I believe for you it's not a surprise that I'm also have my product on Whop.com that is making me right now $2,800 every single month without me actually touching it, because it's recurring money. And so far in this Whop I have made over $15,000. Then I have a second one that I'm not going to show you in this video. And I'm not the only one actually making money on this platform, because if you go into the most money made, this information right now is not really public, but a couple of weeks ago it was still public, and I can tell you that these programs which are at the top, for example like this one, $5,000 per month, $20,000, or this one for $999 per month, these are making hundreds of thousands of dollars every single day. But let's be real for a moment. I'm not telling you that you will be able to make hundreds of thousands of dollars. But the thing is, if they've been able to make hundreds of thousands of dollars, will you be able to make at least 100 or 200? Well, I think so. But now you may be wondering, if I'm going to open one of these products, you can see they have a page, they have a product, they have a pricing, so that's how they're actually making money. So how can you actually get started making money with this app if you have no experiences, no skills, you don't have a product, you don't want to be creating a product, and you don't even know how to go about it? Well, the easiest way how you can get started as a complete beginner without any experiences is when you will start as an affiliate marketer for all of these products that you can find on this platform. Because most of these products that you can see right here that are making hundreds of thousands of dollars, even the hottest affiliate offers, those are the offers that affiliates are making the most money for. For example, like for this product, affiliates made just in the last 24 hours $1,600. For this product, $1,500. For this product, $1,100, and it just goes. So let's say you're a complete beginner, you are just getting started, you don't know how to create the products, you have no experiences. So what is the best way how to get started and make money? Well, it's to just take a product that is already working, already making to other affiliates, for example $700, then open that product, scroll all the way down, and you'll find here something what is called affiliate program, which is giving you option that you can make 25% from the full price of the product just for recommending people into it. So what this means behind the lines, that now on the Whop platform or Whop app, you don't have to be creating your own product, but you can just take existing products, find people which are interested in it, they're going to buy it, and you make affiliate commission. Now just for info, I'm not putting this directly from my butt, but I do believe this is the best strategy how you can get started, because this is the exact business model that I used 4 years ago as a broccoli student with 2 part-time jobs to be able to make hundreds of dollars, thousands of dollars every single month, even though I was studying at the uni, I got 2 part-time jobs, I got a girlfriend, I have almost no free time, but I managed to make it work because the only thing that I had to focus on was getting people and traffic into this product, and that was the way how I was making money. And if you want to know the entire step-by-step strategy on how I was doing it, then check the first link down below in the description. You can find their free PDF, free digital guide, where I'm revealing the entire strategy to you completely for free. But I don't want to let you hanging in this video, so now let me show you what I would do as a complete beginner if I would be just starting on a Whop platform and I want to make, for example, my first $1,000. Well, the first thing logically would be just going to the Whop.com platform, creating my free account, and then once I would create my account, the next logical step is to find affiliate product that is going to be paying me well, but also which is converting well, so I don't have to be spending so much time and energy to sell the product. So here you have 2 options. The first option is that you can just go simply to hottest affiliate offers, what is basically the best selling affiliate products on Whop.com platform, and you can just start checking, okay, this one is about e-com, so e-commerce, then this one is VIP iBet membership, and probably I don't want to go into betting. Then there is a trading community, so then there is this divine premium access, so join the #1 reselling group for free, so reselling on trading, crypto, hidden clearance, sneakers, Lego, and a lot of stuff. So if you are in some reselling community or someone who wants to learn how to make money on sneakers or Lego or whatever, reselling anything online, you can see it has a great rating, to be honest with you. And if I'm going to scroll all the way down, you can see there is 30% reward. So if you're going to take into account divine premium access, what is $75 per month, and we have 30% commission, what is $25. What means if the commission is $25 and you want to make $1,000, then we need to get 40 customers to make $1,000. But now here is the kicker. This $1,000 is not one-time payment. As you can see right here, this is actually per month. That means if you're going to make this $1,000 right now in March or April, the next month in May, you're not going to be starting from zero, but already from $1,000 per month. So if in the May you find another 40 customers, what is just a little bit more than 1 customer per day, then what you'll be making is going to be $2,000 per month. And the biggest advantage is that to make these $1,000 per month or $2,000 per month, the only thing that you need to do is just find the customers, because the product is already created. You are not creating the course, you don't need any skills, you are not creating the marketing, you are not taking care of the customers, there is no support from you, just anything. So this is the most direct way how you can make money in 2025. So this is the option 1. And just to show it to you how it works, if I'm going to click on add to my affiliate dashboard, I will go to affiliate dashboard, and now you can see here that there is my divine premium access 30% reward. I can see if there is some content. There are some videos that I can download and then reuse them for a promotion, but most importantly, there is affiliate link that if I'm going to copy it and open it on a new tab, you can see there is my name at the end, and now anyone who is going to end up on this link is going to click on get access, is going to make a payment, then I'm going to make 30% of the profit. Literally the easiest business model on the planet Earth. And now you may be wondering how I'm actually making money on Whop and how I'm getting customers into Whop programs. And the answer is, to get the customers, I'm using platforms where literally everyone is in 2025. And you probably guessed it right. It's social media. So I'm going to show you a couple of strategies that you can potentially use to find customers for the Whop affiliate programs. The #1 strategy is something what is called Instagram theme page or a faceless brand. This is a strategy that you're going to hear me talking about very often, because I'm running a couple of these faceless pages, for example, like this one, where I'm just creating faceless content, for example, like you can see right here, and then I'm using these videos to send people into the link in my bio or send me a DM with some specific keyword, and then based on their needs, I'm recommending them product that is going to help them with some specific problem that they have at this moment. Now, the beauty of this strategy is that literally what we are using are simple videos like this one, what is just a 7-second faceless videos where it is a background video, there is a music, and then there is a simple text over the video, and these videos are usually getting something in between 2,000, 5,000, 10,000, 20,000, and sometimes even 1.5 million views. And if you do the math, that 1.5 million people are going to see the free ad or free content that you created, and then from this video, you are going to just funnel people into the product in your bio, then getting 40 customers per month is not so hard thing to do. And you can be using the same exact strategy in the different categories, different niches. You can be doing it for reselling the goods, for trading, for crypto, for digital marketing, for relationships, for health and fitness, whatever you can think of, you can just build a faceless brand for it. Then second strategy that I want to show you is going to be for people that don't really want to be using social media, you don't want to be creating content, you don't want to be posting anything there, you don't want to be interacting with other people, and you just want to have a simple strategy how you can be getting traffic into the Whop affiliate programs. And for this, we are going to use this website that is called medium.com. Now, what you can start doing on a Medium is that you can start posting articles. Now, as you can see, these articles could be about any topic that you can think of. So for example, Jeff Bezos says the 1 hour rule makes him smarter. Okay, so this is something, let's say, about productivity. Then the 4-step routine that helped me write 900 articles in just 2 hours a day. Then hey, you can earn $20,000 per month. So something about the money, because you can see this account is called a money guy. So for example, let's take this profile as an example, and you can see he just creating and posting articles, and I'm pretty sure that all of these articles actually has affiliate programs inside of it. But now your question could be, how can you actually create article like this? How can you go about it? Well, I'm pretty sure you know this guy that I call the Uncle GPT that can help you with all of this. So very simply, you can be just using AI to generate the articles. Even with ChatGPT, you can go to custom GPTs, you can look for writing, and I'm pretty sure you can find there many different custom GPTs or ChatGPTs that are going to help you to start creating marketing and branding, articles binders, and you can just use one of these GPTs to start generating high quality articles from the day one. But the options are literally unlimited, because also you can go to the TikTok, start posting on a TikTok, just recommend people to the link in the bio and make money that way. Then if you are comfortable with camera and maybe you always dreamed of having YouTube channel, but you never know how you can actually make money from the YouTube channel if you don't have 1,000 subscribers, then one of the options could be just going to the Whop, start creating videos on your YouTube channel, and then start monetizing it with affiliate link inside of your description. So if you have some interest in, I don't know, trading, reselling, in sports, in relationships, health and fitness, or whatever you can just think of, you can just simply go to the Whop.com, look for a program, check if they have affiliate program and if they have some assets and if they're actually doing good. And if yes, it's a no-brainer, because you can just take it, start posting content, start getting people in, and start making money. Because that is exactly how I started 4 years ago, and it's still the same exact strategy that I'm using to make money in 2025. And to be honest, I showed you how much money are other people making, I showed you how much money I'm making. So there should be literally nothing stopping you to get into the work and start making some money for you as well. So if you want to know the absolute best way on how to get started with this in 2025, then check the first link down below in the description. You can find there a free digital guide where I'm going to show you strategy that I call a faceless profit strategy that is helping me to make thousands of dollars every single day without me sharing my face, creating these YouTube videos, and running business with the strategies which are completely behind the scenes. So if that's something which you are interested in, then first link down below in the description is the place to go. So at the end of this video, I hope that you learned something new, I hope that you got some value, and if yes, make sure that you're going to leave a like and leave a subscribe, because our goal right now is to hit 100,000 subscribers on the YouTube, and I do believe that you, my friend, are going to be one of them. But now, for this video, this was everything from me. I'm wishing you a fantastic day, and I'm going to see you in the next one.